Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin, a digital currency you can't hold in your hands, is worth thousands of dollars? What makes it different from just numbers on a screen? In the next 20 minutes, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin, uncovering the technology that powers it and the factors that drive its value. Bitcoin has become a household name, heralded as a technological marvel and sometimes decried as a speculative bubble. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, it's the first cryptocurrency that introduced the world to the potential of blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, free from government or financial institution control. Its limited supply of 21 million coins, combined with its utility as a payment system, makes it not just a currency but a potential store of value. Throughout this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of Bitcoin, how it operates, the sources of its value, and its role in the modern economy. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is Bitcoin? At its core, Bitcoin is a digital form of currency, known as cryptocurrency, that operates independently of a central authority. It's built on a technology called blockchain, which acts as a public ledger for all transactions. The beauty of Bitcoin lies in its scarcity. The total supply is capped at 21 million coins, a stark contrast to fiat currencies that central banks can print unlimitedly. This digital scarcity mimics the properties of gold, giving Bitcoin its nickname, digital gold. Moving on to how Bitcoin functions, the technology behind Bitcoin is both complex and fascinating. The blockchain is a distributed ledger, recording every transaction in a way that is secure and immutable. Miners use powerful computers to solve cryptographic puzzles, validating transactions and securing the network through a process called proof of work. This mining process not only keeps the network safe but also introduces new bitcoins into circulation as rewards for miners. Cryptographic hashing and private keys ensure transactions are secure and that only the owner of a Bitcoin address can spend their funds. Next, let's dive into what gives Bitcoin its value. Unlike traditional assets, Bitcoin's value isn't backed by physical commodities or government decree. Instead, its value comes from a combination of scarcity, utility, network effects, and market demand. The fixed supply cap creates a deflationary nature, while its censorship-resistant and borderless nature offers utility not found in conventional money. Market sentiment and institutional investment play significant roles in its valuation, making its price highly volatile but also offering high potential returns. Lastly, we'll explore Bitcoin's evolving role in the global economy. From being an experimental digital currency to becoming an asset recognized and held by major institutions, Bitcoin's journey is indicative of the growing search for alternatives to traditional financial systems. Challenges like regulatory hurdles and environmental concerns pose questions, but the continuous development in scaling solutions and broader adoption suggest a promising future. As we wrap up, remember that Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency, it's a technological and financial innovation that challenges our traditional notions of money. To summarize, Bitcoin's value and operation are grounded in blockchain technology, its fixed supply, and its growing adoption and utility. It represents a new form of money that is decentralized, digital, and scarce. For those looking to get involved, start small, prioritize security, and stay informed about the evolving landscape. Bitcoin's journey is far from over, and its role in the future economy remains a fascinating topic for exploration. For further learning, consider exploring more about blockchain technology, cryptocurrency markets, and financial literacy. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin carries risks, so it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Bitcoin. We hope you found this video informative and enlightening. If you're curious to learn more about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave your questions or insights in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay informed.